Here I have the rear window sealer around the glass. Don't put any soap or anything. You got to do it dry. It came out pretty easy. As you put the gasket around, you tape it in place. Start it at the corner. Make sure the corner is fit both vertically and horizontally. And then I put this corner on and worked it to the center. And then I went around the rest of the way, came to this corner, and came to here. Seems like there's a, but I think once it goes in the frame, that's going to close up there. Interesting, this is the inside. These little knobbies on the seal. And if you look back here, this guy right here fits in between these guys here. And then you got in the center, the other same thing. Alrighty, we're going to start the installation process. This has been sitting there with the gasket around for 2 days. Okay, we're starting the sealant process where the glass goes in. And we start in the corner here, putting a bead down. And Jonathan, his wheelhouse is caulking. He puts it on real even to that groove. And I'm going to stop the video. You don't want to see him continuing down the groove here. So we're going to go all the way down the long end. And these ends here, we'll come back and do those after he finishes this piece. Okay, we placed the sealant in the glass groove here. I don't know if you can see it in there. And we're going to put this on like we did when it was dry. We're going to start in the corner, along the long edge, to the next corner, and then we'll put the two bottom pieces on. Okay, we just put the gasket on. It was less than 10 minutes. You see this little towel under here? This worked out well to keep it up and so we could press it around. With that gasket being on there for a good 2 days, it was nice and wide. It wasn't anything like when we put it on dry. It went on real easy. So we're going to flip it over and put some more tape on the other side for the bottom here, this bottom piece here. What we're doing here is we're putting the cord on the outer part of the windshield, or the rear window. You got this overlapped here with this hanging down from the top. And Jonathan's going all the way around. And you can see it fits right in there. And he's going around the bottom. And it's been sitting in that soapy water for a good 2 days. And go all the way around. He'll bring the cord over here. And he'll overlap here. Down to here, and then we'll tape this up. Okay, we're running the bead of sealant around the window frame, right in the valley there, see it? I'll leave it away from the edge so you can put the windshield without getting all gunked up, and then plenty in the valley there. Run it all the way around the edge. Okay, we just sprayed all the way around with this invisible glass cleaner. Don't be afraid to get it all wet. And we're going to go and put the rear window in the frame on the bottom. Make sure the corners are even on each side. And then we'll start pressing it in place. Okay, we've got the window in. On the inside, the whole back flap is on the bottom rail, all the way up to the corner over here. I gotta check the other corner. And we got a little gap here on this side. Really tight up there, but once the rope comes out, flap comes in, that'll probably close up. Let's hope. And then And we got a gap over here, so looking sweet. I guess it's rope time. Well, here's the finished rear window installation. It went pretty smooth, except with the top flange all the way around. I was on the inside, and I was just making it on the edge, and I had that tape on there. Found I had to remove the tape so it could move over the flange. So after we did that, she came in really nice, and here's the install of the rear window. The tools for the rear window, the front window will be the same. Did have to use these little pick guys here, and I use this quite a bit too. So, and it took an hour and a half installation if you subtract our cigarette breaks. So if you enjoyed this video, please give us a thumbs up, subscribe. We're going to have many more episodes of the restoration of this. I call this the Red Bird, actually. The one in the back over there that I'm using as spares, I call the Bird. But anyways, and hit the notification. Like I say, there's going to be several episodes, so if you subscribe, you'll know when I post more videos. Have a nice day.